Welcome to Cordite, the Corona Drug Interactions database. Cordite collects all data on potential drugs, targets, and their interactions for SARS-CoV-2 from published articles and preprints based on PubMed, bioRxiv, ChemArchive, and medRxiv. Moreover, it includes information on clinical trials. Cordite integrates many functionalities to enable users to access, sort, and download relevant data to conduct meta-analyses, to design new clinical trials, or even to conduct a curated literature search. In this short video, we want to show you the main functionality of the Cordite website.
If you open the Cordite website, you see a menu on the left. There you can see different information, for example, interactions, targets, drugs, publications, and clinical trials. If you click on interactions, you get all information on interactions that are stored in the database. You can search these interactions, or you can, for example, group these interactions, for example, by target, and then you can see the interactions in a group way, for example, all the interactions known for the viral protease. If you click on target, you can see the different targets like the aforementioned viral protease, but many other targets that have been addressed in the literature. And if you, for example, go on the RNA-dependent RNA polymerase, for example, you can get details here on the proteins, for example, the EC number. You can also get information on the drugs that are associated with the polymerase. You can also go, if you go on drug, you get a list of all the drugs that are stored in the database. And again, if you click on a drug, you can get the details here, like for example the PubChem number. You can also get the interaction results, so the known or the predicted interactions with known targets. And you can also get information on the corresponding publications, and you get, for example, information on what source and who are the authors and what is the title of the publication. If you go on publications, you get the list of publications, and we divided those publications into two sections, meaning research papers and other publications, which includes reviews, comments, etc. You can search the database here, or again, you can group the publications, for example, by source, to get an overview of the different sources. So for example, you can just show those publications that have been published and can be found in PubMed, for example. So you can see you can use Cordite for different types of analyses, as mentioned before, like meta-analysis, or just to do it with a literature search, or even to design new clinical trials by getting information from already predicted drugs that could be useful for the treatment of COVID.